A very good morning, children. How are you all? I'm fine. Thank you very much. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay. Shall we start? Okay. Now here I am going to teach you today lesson number 2 from the Radiant Way. Lesson number 1 is already done, correct? And you must have already learnt, isn't it? All the dictation words and how to read the lesson. Now, teacher has already finished part 1, correct? I am going to continue today with the part 2. Lesson number 2, part 2. Okay? But before that, let us go to the phonic words, which we have already done. Let us revise them. Okay, so first here we have the OD words. Shall we do the recap of the words? Okay, these words are in the lesson, so you have to know them. Clear? So let us revise it quickly. COD, cod. GOD, God. NOD, nod. POD, pod. ROD, rod. Now when I say OD family words, it means you can see here all are 3-letter words, correct? And the second and third letter are OD for all the words, isn't it? Only the first letter changes. So it is called OD family words. Now when you see COD, cod, GOD, god, NOD, nod, POD, pod, ROD, rod, all have OD words. OD letters, the second and third letter are OD. Only the first letter changes. So you have to listen to the sound and you will know what you have to write. When I say God, it means G, God. So GOD. Okay, children. Next, let us move on to OP words. HOP, hop. MOP, mop. POP, pop. TOP, top. Same like OD words, we have here OP words. The second and third letter are OP. Only the first letter changes. Correct? So here we have hop, mop, pop, top. Okay. Next we have the OT words. COT, cot. DOT, dot. GOT, got. HOT, hot. LOT, lot. POT, pot. ROT, rot. Now you can notice here, children, the second and third letter are again OT and only the first letter changes. So listen to the sound. Phonic words means the sound of the letter. Cot, COT, cot. Dot, D, dot. Correct? G is G, got. So you have to listen to the sound of the letter. Next, we have the AD words. BAD, bad. DAD, dad. HAD, had. LAD, lad. MAD, mad. PAD, pad. SAD, sad. All these are AD words, 3-letter words. Next, we have the A and an. A and an is a 2-letter word. Now 3-letter words will be BAN, ban. CAN, can. FAN, fan. MAN, man. PAN, pan, R-A-N, ran, T-A-N, tan, V-A-N, van. Okay, children? These are the phonic words. So first you have to learn these phonic words. You should know the meaning of each and every word. Okay, chalo, let's move to the next slide. Now here we have the new words. New words which are there in this lesson. Here we have your gifts. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. Correct? S-H-O-W, show. A-N-D, and. N-O-T, not. C-O-M-E, come. W-I-L-L, will. F-O-R, for. T-O, to. T-H-E, the. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. H-A-S, has. T-H-A-N-K-Y-U, thank you. These are the new words. They are not three-letter words. You have lot of letters to learn in that. Okay. So you have to learn these new words. You will find them in the lesson. Once you know the new words, then only you will be able to read the lesson, understand the lesson. So first phonics and then the new words. Okay, children? Now, let me revise the lesson. First, part 1. Okay, shall I start? Okay. When you're reading the lesson, you will always start, good morning teacher, Sai Ram, lesson number 2, part 1, gifts for Pat and Ann. Come, Ann, for, thank you, the, father. Now, teachers has put points here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you are not going to read the point. Or you're not going to read 1, come, come, come. 2, come to Mother Pat. Not like that. It is just for your reference. Point 1, you have to read that line. Place your finger on each word. Move the finger as you read. Okay? So we will start. Come, come, come. Come to Mother Pat. Come to Mother Ann. Pat ran to Mother. Ann ran to Mother. Mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a cot for Ann. Thank you, Mother, for the top. Thank you, Mother, for the cot. Now you should know where you are going to pause and when you are going to stop and when you are going to start with the new point. Correct? When there is a comma, you should pause a little, stop a little. And when there is a full stop, you will stop a little more than the comma. Okay? Like, Mother has a cot for Ann. That will be a continuous sentence because we can't find a comma there. Correct? And when you're reading the 8th point, we have the comma. So you will pause a little. Thank you, Mother, for the top. Okay? This is how we are going to read. Now, moving to the part 2 point. We will start. Okay. Mother has a rod for Pat. Thank you, Mother, for the rod. Pat, show the rod to Ann. Mother has not a pod for Ann. Mother has a pad for Ann. you, mother, for the pad. Anne will show the pad to Pat. Now here you have to understand what each line means. Now mother has a rod for Pat. Now you know this lesson is gifts for Anne and Pat, isn't it? So now what mother has for Pat? A rod. Rod is a fishing rod. Mother has a rod for Pat. So what will Pat say now? Once he is getting the gift from mother, he will say, "Thank you, mother, for the rod." He is thanking his mother for the gift, the rod. Okay. Now, Pat, show the rod to Anne. Now, Pat is running to Anne and showing. See, I have got a gift from mother. It is a rod. So, Pat, show the rod to Anne. Mama is telling, Pat, show the rod to Anne. Now here, mother has not a rod for Anne. Even Pat has a rod or Anne has a rod. No, mother has something else for Anne. Let us see what it is. Mother has a pad for Anne. That is a writing pad you carry when you have your exams, isn't it? To keep your paper and write on it. That is a writing pad. So mother has a pad for Anne. So what will Anne say now? Thank you, mother, for the pad. Now what will Anne do? Anne will show the pad to Pat. Correct? What did Pat do? Pat showed the rod to Anne. Now Anne will show the pad to Pat. Okay, now this is the meaning of each line, each word. Understand and then you will read. It will be more easier for you. Now let us see the next lines. Father has a top for Pat. Now we saw here mother has given gifts. Now father is also giving gifts to Pat and Anne. So what is father for Pat? Father has a top for Pat. Now top is a toy to play with, isn't it? Okay, so father has a top for Pat. Father has a fan for Anne. Father and mother show the top to Pat. Now they are calling Pat and telling, see, I have bought a top for you. So father and mother, they show the top to Pat. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Now top is for Pat and fan is for Anne. So father and mother are showing them. Come for the top, Pat. So father is calling Pat to come here. Come for the top, Pat. Father is calling Anne also. Come for the fan, Anne. Pat and Anne ran for the top and the fan. So when father is calling them, Pat and Anne, they both run to take their gifts. So this is the lesson, children. Okay? Very good. Now here, oh, we can see what gifts Anne got. She got a cot, a writing pad and a fan. These are the gifts for Anne. And what did Pat get? A top and a rod, fishing rod. Very good. Now, shall we recap the lesson? I will ask you questions. You are going to answer it. Okay. What does mother have for Pat? What did mother bring for Pat? What does mother have for Anne? Yes, tell me. Writing pad, isn't it? Correct. What does mother have for Pat? Tell me. Rod, fishing rod. And what does mother have for Anne? Writing pad. What does father have for Pat? Top. What does father have for Anne? What did father bring for Anne? Fan. Correct. And What did Anne and Pat say to father and mother? What did they say after they received the gifts? They said, "Thank you. Thank you, father. Thank you, mother." So this was the lesson, children. Now, what you have to do? You have to learn all the phonic words. You have to learn all the new words. Dictation words will be given to you. So you have to learn that. They are from the phonic words and new words only. Okay, those will be the dictation words. And read the lesson. I will show you how to read the lesson one more time. Okay, and let us start. This is how the lesson is in your book, children. Okay, you have to get familiar with this. So this is, you can see up here, lesson number 2, part 1. Gifts for Pat and Anne. Okay. Do you want me to read again? One more time? Okay. Come and for thank you the father. Come, come, come. Come to Mother Pat. Come to Mother Anne. Pat ran to mother. Anne ran to mother. Mother has a top for Pat. Mother has a cot for Anne. Thank you, mother, for the top. Thank you, mother, for the cot. This is lesson number 2, part 1. Now this is lesson number 2, part 2. Mother has a rod for Pat. Thank you, mother, for the rod. Pat, show the rod to Anne. Mother has not a rod for Anne. Mother has a pad for Anne. Thank you, mother, for the pad. Anne will show the pad to Pat. Father has a top for Pat. Father has a fan for Anne. Father and mother show the top to Pat. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Come for the top, Pat. Come for the fan, Anne. Pat and Anne ran for the top and the fan. Thank you, teacher. You will wish teacher like. Okay. Now, we have activity time. Some fun for you. I will show you how to make a paper fan. Okay. But first, I will show you how we are going to read the lesson. How easy can it be for you to read the lesson? It is a big lesson and some new words for you. So, let me make it very easy for you. Okay, let me show you that. Now children, to make your reading easy, you can ask your mama to do a window like this. Okay, where you can see only one line, so that you can shift like this. So when you are reading the first line, put the window, this is called window. Put the window here and you can start reading. This becomes very easy for you to see which line you are reading and the words get registered in your mind. Once you finish reading the first line, move the window to the second line and then likewise. Okay, now for example, mother has a rod for Pat. Thank you, mother, for the rod. Pat, show the rod to Anne. Mother has not a rod for Anne. Mother has a pad for Anne. Thank you, Mother, for the pad. Anne will show the pad to Pat. So this is how you are going to do reading using the window. Okay, children. Now activity time. Now children, to make a fan, we are going to take first a piece of newspaper. I have taken a rectangular piece of newspaper. First we'll practice on this and then you can go on a very nice paper. So what you have to do first is make a fold here and put a nice crease over it. Then you have to turn the paper and then fold again. Turn back and fold. This is the way we are going to do a fan. This is very easy, very simple. You don't need any extra material for doing this. And you all must be having a piece of newspaper at home. So everybody can do it. This improves your fine motor development. This is how we are going to do. Now what we have to do is fold it in the center. Now this is the fan. Okay children, now I will show you on a nice piece of paper. I have taken this paper now. I got this from the chocolate wrapper. It is a chocolate wrapper. I have used that. So you don't have to buy any paper. You have to do these activities with the things which are available at home, children. Fold it and your fan is ready. This is a little stiff paper. Your fan is ready. Okay children, bye, thank you and take care.